Welcome to my channel 365 Blend Bytes. Today, I'm excited to show you how to use the workspace in Power BI to auto-create report as an interactive dashboard in just few minutes. Here's a quick preview of what we'll achieve. A. Interactive dashboard in Power BI will build a dynamic dashboard. B. Export options, we'll explore exporting the dashboard to PDF and PowerPoint. C. Automatic updates, we'll demonstrate how modifications in Power BI reflect automatically in PowerPoint. Let's get started. Step 1. Prepare your Excel data. First, you need an Excel sheet with your data. For this tutorial, I'm using a sales data sheet containing columns like item code, order date, unit price, actual profit and states, etc. Step 2. Save the file in SharePoint or OneDrive. Ensure your Excel file is saved in SharePoint or OneDrive to make it easy to access your files from anywhere. Step 3. Open Power BI. You can open Power BI either via the desktop application or directly in a web browser. For this tutorial, I'm using the web browser. Click New Report and choose Excel Preview. Step 4. Connect to data source. Connect to your data source by either pasting the link from your OneDrive file or uploading the file directly by navigating through the file path. You might be prompted to sign in. Hit Next. And checkmark the appropriate Excel sheet name and make sure all columns are included. Press Create. Wait for the data to upload. On the right-hand side, you can see all the column headers available under the data pane, which will be utilized automatically in Workspace to create an interactive dashboard. Step 5. Navigate to your workspace in Power BI. It's important that the file is placed in the appropriate workspace for better collaboration, sharing, automation, and workflow. Step 6. Analyze and visualize data. In the workspace, locate your uploaded file and choose More options. You can perform various actions like exploring or analyzing the data in Excel or auto-creating a dashboard report, etc. To begin, select to explore this data and choose the relevant fields to create your desired visualizations and matrix. For example, we will select City. Then go to Visual option. Choose the donut chart and add actual profit to generate visuals. You can similarly choose the fields of your choice depending on your data and reporting needs. Explore different visualization options from the Visualizations pane. You can customize and refine your visuals by selecting various chart types such as bar charts, pie charts, line charts, maps, and more. Additionally, you can use the Format pane to adjust colors, labels, and other visual properties to ensure the data is presented in the most insightful and visually appealing manner. Generate insights. Return to your workspace, select the file, and choose Get Quick Insights. Once ready, click View Insights. Power BI will automatically generate multiple visualizations. You can review the data and see the different charts and graphs created. In Quick Insights, based on the sales report provided, you can get automatic analysis and visualizations such as trends and patterns. Identify trends in sales over time, seasonal patterns, or any anomalies. Top contributors. Discover which items, states, or other variables contribute the most to sales. Correlations. Understand relationships between different variables like item price and sales volume. By using Focus Mode, you can gain a clearer and more detailed view of individual visualizations and the filters used. These insights are automatically generated to help you understand your sales data quickly and efficiently. You can customize the charts data by using basic filtering based on your preferences. Now the most important step to auto-create report. For this again, return to your workspace, select the file, and choose Auto-Create Report. Once ready, you can view the report dashboard immediately. As you can see in just few seconds using Workspace, Power BI has given us a quick summary including quantity by unit price, total amount, order date, actual profit, etc. based on the default filters applied. And these charts providing diverse data visualizations. You can customize the chart data using various filters like adding quantity by city or by actual profit, etc. Again, depending on your dashboard report needs. You can also transform charts. For example, you can change a bar chart displaying quantity by state into a map chart to better visualize the data. Similarly, you can convert the actual profit bar chart into a donut chart to enhance visual appeal. You can also transform the unit price bar chart into a ribbon chart, and the sales order bar chart into a pie chart. You can save it by assigning a name of your choice. Furthermore, you can customize the visualizations to better suit your needs. To do this, click Edit and then continue to Edit mode. In Edit mode, you can make various adjustments. For example, to change the column color, go to the Format Visual section under the Visualization tab. Here, you can choose individual colors or apply conditional formatting. In this case, I chose conditional formatting and used a 3-color gradient to make it visually more attractive. You can also change the ribbon color and adjust its transparency to enhance the visual appeal. You can then resize, reposition, or change the type of chart from the Visualizations pane. Customize data fields, drag and drop different data fields to the Values, Axis, Legend, and Filters areas to modify what data is displayed and how it is categorized. Like also in Map Chart, we can adjust bubble size, use the Format pane to change colors, add data labels, adjust axes, and apply other formatting options to enhance readability and visual appeal. Now clicking on any section of a chart will dynamically update the data in other charts, ensuring that all visualizations reflect the selected section accurately and in real time. We are almost done, and it's time to share the report dashboard. To share the report dashboard, you can export the report as a PDF. Wait for the file to download. And there you have it. Alternatively, you can save it as a PowerPoint slide with images of the report charts. For real-time updates in PowerPoint, use Embed Live Data option. You can copy the link, go to the PowerPoint application, and under the Insert option, locate Power BI. Click on it and paste the link. If Power BI is not available, you can find it by going to the Home tab, selecting Add-ins, and searching for Power BI. Or open in PowerPoint directly. And wait for visuals to upload properly. This feature allows you to refresh and get the latest updates directly from Power BI. Additionally, you can change the chart style and visuals directly from PowerPoint as well. And now even clicking on any chart section in PowerPoint will dynamically update and reflect the corresponding data across all charts in PowerPoint. This ensures that all visualizations are consistently synchronized. And to make the dashboard presentation more powerful, interactive, seamless, and efficient, you can easily analyze your data and keep your reports up to date with minimal effort. Thank you for watching this tutorial. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more such tutorials. Stay tuned for more informative videos. Happy data analyzing!